Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change your password on the Line app. If you are concerned about your account security or just want to update your password, this video will guide you through the process. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner of the app and tap on the settings icon. Then, from the settings menu, select Account. Then, find the password option and select it to begin updating your password. After that, enter your new password carefully and make sure it is strong. Then, confirm the new password by entering it again. Finally, click on Change Password to save your new password. Once completed, your Line account will be updated and more secure. Changing your password online is simple and important for protecting your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.